Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to activate the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to enable you qualify to receive the second Pi migration that is ongoing at the moment. Many pioneers have started receiving the second Pi migration into their Pi wallet. But this migration doesn't start until you have activated two-factor authentication on your wallet and your Pi account. So this is why I'll be showing you this morning how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to qualify and pass for receiving the second Pi migration from the Pi network core team, and also to add that extra layer of security to your Pi wallet, which will protect it from any intruder logging into your wallet and stealing your Pi assets from your Pi wallet. But before we proceed, I will say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release good videos like this, you will be one of the first persons to be notified for you to check it out and get information I am passing at that particular point in time, because I'll keep bringing innovative ideas and updates on the Pi network ecosystem and the crypto space at large. Good. I said I'll be showing you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to guarantee the safety and security of your Pi wallet, and also to qualify to receive the second Pi migration from the Pi core team, which is ongoing at the moment. Good. And how to do this is very simple. The first thing you do is you locate your Pi browser. And please, everything I'm going to show you now, make sure you do it on your Pi browser for your safety and security. Don't do anything outside of the Pi network ecosystem apps. Thank you. Good. And once your Pi browser is open like this, the next thing you do is to click on this home button here to reveal the address bar. Good. And once the address bar is open like this, all you need to do is to click on the address and clean up everything there. And then you type in pinet-authentication.web.app. The URL is pinet-authentication.web.app. Don't worry, this URL will be on the description of this video, so anytime you want to do yours, just go to the description of this video. You will see this URL there. Copy it exactly the way it is and paste into your Pi browser so you don't make mistakes. And I will also pin it on the comments so you can get it from any of these places. Good. And once you've entered the URL like this, the next thing you do is you hit on enter to proceed to the page. Just allow it. Load fully. Beautiful. And once you are on this authentication page like this, all you need to do is you scroll down to this button here that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. When you want to do yours, you can take your time and read other things on the page to understand how this two-factor authentication protects your wallet from scammers and how it is being done. But for now, I am going to show you just how to activate it on your Pi wallet, so you know about it and activate it on your own Pi wallet to guarantee its safety and also qualify to receive the second Pi migration from the Pi core team. So I'll proceed and hit on activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Good. This is the authentication page where you authenticate the particular Pi wallet you want to activate the 2FA feature on. That's the wallet you are going to authenticate here. And how to do that is you will enter that wallet's 24-word passphrase into this box here to authenticate it to the process. I have mine copied already on the clipboard. All I need to do is to click on this box and then long press on it and paste in my phrase. Beautiful. And once I've pasted in my phrase like this, the next thing I'll do is to click on this button that says authenticate with passphrase. I'll click on it. Beautiful. This is the email verification page. This is the page where you link an email address to this your Pi wallet, and that email address will serve as the verification email where you will receive all the authentication and verification codes that will be sent to you anytime anyone wants to log into your Pi wallet from a Pi browser that is not yours, or from any port or from any system. Once they want to log into your wallet, they will be prompted to provide a verification code that will be sent to this email you use while activating this feature. Now, the one I'm going to put in here, yes, they will send a verification code there. And if that person that wants to log into your wallet does not have access to your email and can't provide that code sent to this email address, the person will not be able to log in. You see, and if that person can log into your wallet, that means he can do anything, even if he has your passphrase. That is the beauty of activating this 2FA feature on your Pi wallet, because it guarantees the security of the assets, your Pi coins inside your Pi wallet. It secures it from being stolen by anyone. No one can access your wallet aside you once you activate this. Good. So I will go ahead and input the email address I want to use for my verification that I want to link to my Pi wallet. I will just type it in here. Beautiful. And there's another page where you confirm the email again. So I'm going to type in the same email address again to confirm it. Beautiful. And once you are done entering email addresses like this, all you need to do is you click on this other button here that says send verification code to proceed. Allow it to do anything it wants to do. Just make sure you follow it gradually so you don't make mistakes. Just wait for it. Beautiful. Verification code sent to your email. Good. Now the verification code has been sent to my email. All I have to do now is to go to my email address and get this verification code and input into this box here to finalize this setup. So follow me to my email address while I get the code sent to my email address. Follow me. This is my email here. It's Gmail. I'll open it. Beautiful. You can see the code. I got it. Pi network support 2FA verification code. Good. The email entered. Now what I'll do is to click on the email to reveal the code and take it to the page and complete this setup. So let's open the email. Beautiful. This is the code here, 617987. Good. Now all I need to do is to copy this code and go paste into the box on the page and finalize with a 2FA activation on my Pi wallet. So let's go to the page. Beautiful. Now I'm going to impute the code here. Just long press and paste it in. Good. And once you've pasted it in like this, the next thing you do is you click on this button that says verify and activate 2FA. Good. Just click on it and then allow it to go. Wonderful. Sweet. Now you can see I have successfully activated two-factor authentication on my Pi wallet. Now I am fully qualified to receive the second Pi migration from the Pi core team, and above all, my wallet is now fortified with email-based two-factor authentication process, which will secure my Pi wallet from unauthorized access. No one can log into my Pi wallet now and steal my Pi coins from it, even if the person has access to my phrase. This is the beauty of this 2FA activation on your Pi wallet, and this is how it's done. And that brings us to the end of the video. So if you're a pioneer out there with an active mainnet wallet, you are anticipating your second migration to come, or you have an active mainnet wallet that you receive your second migration, but you want to secure the security of that your assets, so that your wallet, so that it will not be compromised and tampered with or anybody stealing from you, you need to activate this two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet, following the steps the same way I've showed you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help us grow, and also share this video to other pioneers out there. Let them be aware of this 2FA feature on Pi wallets and activate it now to position them on receiving their second migration from the Pi network core team, and also above all is to secure their Pi wallet in a way that nobody, no bot, no system can log into their Pi wallets and steal their Pi coins from their Pi wallets. And that guarantees the security of your wallet and the Pi tokens you have inside your wallet. Thank you very much, and please, I'll see you on the next one, and look out for my second video. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you, and bye-bye.